which every year we are getting. On the basis of that, our poverty criteria or poverty line will be calculated. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
for uh, so at that time we were poor. Our poverty level was high. So government has given 5-year plan for education, medical facilities were done, good industries have developed so that people can get good jobs. Okay, some machines were developed so they can get good income. They can be educated and get good jobs. So our poverty level was getting low. Understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
So those who are below poverty line is known as BPL. Those who are not having home, they can't get food. They are living in slum areas. Okay, we tell it on road they are living. They don't have medical facilities. They are illiterate. Means they didn't got proper education. Their child are laborers. Means they are at the age of 6 or 7. They are going outside for work for money. So these people are known as below poverty line. It is called BPL. Understood? So for that person, people, our government is giving every month for them. They are getting that in ration. They are getting, they are having BPL card. Yes. So every month they are getting basic necessities. Means they are getting food and that all things. Understood what is poverty, boys? Most important topic.
Yes, ma'am.
So who will read the topic poverty? Mehdi will read. Mehdi,
Yes, ma'am.
start reading.
Poverty. Poverty is one of the most serious problems of our country, and a situation where almost maximum people are deprived of basic necessities like food, clothes, shelter, employment, medical facilities, etc. is termed as poverty. The percentage of people in Gujarat living below the poverty line is 14.7%.
Means below poverty line means those who are poor. In Gujarat, how much percentage of people are there? 14.7%.
14.7. One of the basic of purchase value and level of income. The criteria of poverty can be decided due to the 5-year plan in India. Education and medical facilities are
Easily.
easily accessible to us. Moreover, industries have deployed a lot and poverty gradu-
Graduate
reduced
reduced.
graduate reduced due to more employment opportunities. The income of people has increased due to technology and better techniques in agriculture.
This for your knowledge, you read it.
For your knowledge, BPL, below poverty line, the people do not get nutritious food, reside the filthy areas and over deprived of medical
Deprived.
facilities. They are illiterate. Child labor is prevalent. Also, they said to be below poverty line.
Okay, so what is the meaning of BPL? BPL means below poverty line.
Below
Those
poverty.
people who are not getting nutritious food, having is 14.7%. How we calculate the poverty? How we will calculate on the basis of our income, okay, of every year. So, which steps were taken by government for for the people who can't get proper food and education. So 5-year plan in India, education and medical facilities are given, industries were developed so that these employment opportunities will be increased, and due to technology, better techniques in agriculture are given, better techniques are given, better machines are given for the agricultural people. Understood? What is poverty, boys? Boys,
Yes, ma'am.
only one is present in the lecture.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I'm present.
okay. So most important topic. Okay. So now next is corruption, which is another internal problem faced by India. Okay. What is the meaning of corruption? Who will tell me? In last first lecture of chapter number 8, I have told you the simple meaning of corruption. Who will tell me the meaning of corruption?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Corruption means doing illegals, calm.
Yes, simply I have told you that it is called भ्रष्टाचार. Okay, सब रिश्वत देते हैं. You know, means
Yes,
if you
doing illegal
for example, I
works.
will tell you. For example, I will tell you if you want government job, okay, but you have not passed the examination for entrance of for if you want a government job, you have to pass the entrance exam of government. Okay, examination you have to pass it, and you are not getting a good mark, so you can't get government job. But if you are going to some government people and he tells you to give some money and you are joining the job, it is called corruption. Understood? This incident I have explained you by example. Understood this much? What is corruption?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have done good job and you are getting some gift, then it is example of corruption. Okay, if you are told that if you will do this to me, then I will give you this much money to you, then it is corruption. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if some people is irresponsible or he is not his behavior is not good, okay, its behavior is immoral, okay, he is dishonest. If he, first of all he will tell it that I will do it. For example, if I am teaching you and if I have not taught you some topics, okay, and I have taken money from the institute, then it is corruption. Best example, you understood what is corruption?
Yes, ma'am.
So nowadays corruption is increased. So you can. This is also most important topic of related to your exam. It will be coming in 10th standard also. So if you are having book, then note down most important topic, corruption. Okay, or you will be asked give reason type that corruption is the dark spot or a black spot on the economy. Give reason why, then you will write the meaning of corruption. If we pay something to the people and we move freely, we are having a right to move freely, their behavior is illegal or immoral, or we are getting some gift by the work done, taking bribe, etc. These are the forms of corruption, and it nowadays it has been spread widespread in common life. Okay, so corruption is the dark spot on the development of nation. Understood? Boys, understood the meaning of corruption?
Yes, ma'am.
So who will read?
Yes, ma'am.
Or time?
Yes,
Read it,
ma'am.
beta.
I read.
Read, beta.
Okay.
Yes. Read.
In in the term in the term of layman, get corruption means when we have to pay
When we have
something more for such a thing which is our right to get freely. In short, the immoral and illegal behavior it to generate a person is
person.
corruption.
Okay, so
Dictating,
understood. I have explained you that
yes,
we
ma'am.
have to pay something if we are having a right, but we have to pay something, some money to that person, and then only we can move freely. Then it is called corruption. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
DCT giving gift to get work done, take bribed, etc. are some
Bribe.
form of corruption. It has become widespread in common life. Some people add fuel to, to the fire by undertaking corruption through immoral behavior, irresponsible act, etc. Corruption is a dark spot on the development
Development.
of nation.
Which internal factor is the dark spot on the development of our nation?
Corruption.
Yes. So, most important topic again and again I am repeating poverty and corruption are most important topics. So understand it well. If you don't understand the meaning of corruption, then ask me. I will again repeat it. Boys, I am telling you.
Ma'am, understood.
Only one. Other all where all are you? Boys, I am asking you. I will not give you internal marks. Huh? You will not get good marks in your internal.
Ma'am, I am to speaking.
Only one is speaking, other all where they are present.
Ma'am, we are only six.
From six, only one is speaking, other five where they are. You don't want to speak, tell me then. I am not asking any questions. You have understood or not, that much only I am asking. Boys, I have
Yes,
to
ma'am,
speak against and
understood.
tell. Okay, other four, Arsh has given me reply. Mohammed Ali, Mohammed Ali, Mubin Khan, who is this Salamia Hussain?
मैम मैंने तो रिप्लाई दे दिया.
Okay, Mohammed Ali, okay. You are replying or not replying me?
Ma'am, I am giving answer, ma'am, and speaking and reading.
Ali Reza, you understood the meaning of corruption? You are presented in lecture or not? Okay, after completing this topic, I will ask the question. That time I will come to know. Okay. So now, effects of corruption. Which are the effects which we are facing due to corruption? That is, human rights are violated. If we are moving freely somewhere, okay, and the people who is corrupting will tell, give me this much money, then only in this place you can move. Then our human rights are violated. Yes. Development of the nation is hindered. What is the meaning of hinder? Something, some things that is moral values are deteriorated. It means what? We are some people are not allowing us to do progress. Okay, that is deteriorate. Inflation is price rise. Trust towards law and order decreases. Means if we are having laws, okay, if we have to follow the laws and orders given by the government, and we are not following, then trust will be decreased to the people. Human development and faith decreases. Means we are breaking the law, so human can't develop them, they can't progress in some fields. So this human development and faith decreases due to corruption. So which are they? Human rights are violated, development of the nation is hindered, moral values are deteriorate, inflation, trust towards law and order decreases, and human development and faith decreases. So for this all things, some measures are taken. So government has developed some laws in 1988 to reduce and prevent corruption. The Anti-Corruption Bureau was formed in 1964. So in that some laws were framed and to reduce the corruption. Okay, to control the corruption. Those who are doing corruption, they for them they are giving some punishment. Okay, government is giving some punishment. So message was that accepting and offering bribe both are crime. Means if you want good job, you pay some money. So the person who is offering you for the money and you are accepting that, both are crime. This message was spread by the government. Understood this much, boys? Boys, understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so shall we move to the topic that is unemployment?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, another internal problem which our India is facing, that is unemployment. What is the meaning of unemployment? The person who is not having a job, he is capable for doing job, but he is not having, is known as unemployment. Okay, so nowadays, why they are not having a job? The people who is not educated, they can't have ideas how to use the computers, they can't have the ideas how to use the machines. Okay, so this is the major problem which they are facing. Then some people are not for agriculture, some people are not having modern facilities. Okay, they are using old facilities, so they are getting some less money. So this all things are related to the unemployment. Okay, who will read? Who will read? Ali Raza, you read it. Ali Raza, Ali Raza.
His
Mehndi,
name is Sakib.
what?
His name is Sakib.
Okay, read it, beta.
I read.
No. Okay, Ash, you read it.
Okay, ma'am. Due to the latest technology, the scientific age, unemployment has increased a lot for explain
Example.
qualitative example qualitative work has become more speedily due to use of computers and machines had replaced to manual work done by human beings, and it has resulted in unemployment. Even the agriculture sector in village has acknowledged the use of machine and technology, and thus the labor working of
On
farmer
farms
and
are
facing
facing.
of tongue time to earn their living. They have migrated towards labor working and farm and fishing, like, to, towards cities in the search of work. Hence, the urbanization, education has increased and expands in horizon, but the employment opportunity has not increased at the equal rate, and so the unemployment has increased. The density of population in city has increased, and as a result the question of water, shelter, transport, cleanliness, health, and education has cropped up due to numbers of
Numerous
50
and
numbers and 50 slump, the antisocial
slums.
activities, child labor, drugs, addiction, use of alcohol, mental stress, etc. has increased. So who above the age of 18 are and are jobs.
Wait. Read. Read.
Jobless come under the category of
Category.
category unemployment person.
Okay, wait. So, who is unemployed person? Those who are above the 18 and he is capable of doing work but is not getting a good job. That is called unemployed person. So, due to this, those who are not having work, so they live in with these slums. Their antisocial activities may have been started. Child labor means at the age, small age, they have to go for work. Drug addiction means they are doing some drugs, using some drugs. Use of alcohol is increased. Mental stress. The person is being tension that how I will get money, how will I will fulfill my basic necessities. So these all things are increased due to that. For that, government has in modern age they have given some good in agriculture. They have started using some good machines. Technology is used, so they get good money. So they can give education to their child. Okay, they can fulfill their necessities. Understood? So which are the basic measures taken by the government? That is, first is special residence plans, means government is giving them place to live. Okay, then free education is given, pure drinking water is for them, pure drinking water is given, cleanliness, medical mobile van services, means we call it ExoMart, okay? Free services given by ambulances. Cottage industry and motivation to handicraft industries. Loan facilities available for cottage and handicraft industries, means loan is given to the people, those who want to start the industry. By providing nutritious food, which is the primary need, the government is trying to improve the situation in slum areas. In slum, those people who are living in slum areas, they are giving good food to them. Medical facilities is given. Understood this much? What is unemployment, boys? Boys, understood? Boys, I am asking you, boys. Boys, tell me answer. All are sleeping. Mehdi, Mubin Khan, Ali Raza, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in next lecture, I will teach you the last topic, that is terrorism, and uh, we will discuss the textual exercise. And today I will send you the notes by evening. Okay. So you have to complete it in your file book by Monday. By Monday, you have to complete your file books, that is chapter number 5 and chapter number 8. Okay, boys? Yes or no? And I will check it on Monday. Okay, your file books will be checked by me on Monday. Understood this much?